ITP Aero has marked a major milestone in its India growth journey with the groundbreaking ceremony for the expansion of its operations in Hyderabad. The new facility, expected to become fully operational in 2027, will significantly enhance the company's manufacturing footprint in India and reinforce its long-term commitment to the region. The upcoming site will manufacture commercial aviation engine components, including fabrication and machining parts, supporting rising global demand in the civil aerospace sector. The expansion builds on ITP Aero's 15-year presence in Hyderabad, where the company has developed strong local capabilities, a skilled workforce, and close industry partnerships. The project is expected to generate more than 350 new skilled jobs over the next 5 years, in addition to the company's existing 250 manufacturing roles in the region. As part of its India growth strategy, ITP Aero has also appointed Sandeep Sharma as Managing Director India. Sharma brings more than 2 decades of aerospace industry experience, including leadership roles at Pratt & Whitney across supply chain, finance, business development, and customer service. Telangana Industries and IT Minister D. Sridhar Babu welcomed the expansion, saying it would strengthen Hyderabad's growing aerospace manufacturing ecosystem and contribute to advanced manufacturing and global supply chains from Telangana. Carlos Alzola, Managing Director of ITP Aero Group, said the expansion reflects the company's confidence in Hyderabad's manufacturing ecosystem and skilled talent base. Sharma added that the facility would deepen engagement with local suppliers while strengthening India's role in the global aerospace value chain.